Stand ready for my arrival, worm.
Moderating a Rust server is harder when players can see you coming. The Vanish plugin lets admins go fully invisible. No name tag, no footsteps, no presence. So you can monitor players, investigate reports, and manage events without tipping anyone off. This video covers install, permissions, config, and in-game use. You need Oxide installed before this works. You'll also need a file manager or SFTP access to upload the plugin. Download Vanish.cs from umod.org/plugins/vanish. Upload it to Oxide plugins on your server, then restart or run oxide.reload vanish in the console. On first load, it generates its config at oxide config vanish.json. Vanish uses Oxide's permission system. Nobody can use it until you explicitly grant access. The core permission is vanish.allow, which lets a player toggle invisibility. Grant it to your mod or admin group with oxide.grant, group, moderator, or admin, vanish.allow. There are additional permissions worth knowing, like vanish.damage, which lets Vanish players deal damage to entities. This is off by default and requires a config flag to be enabled in the first place. Vanish.unlock lets them bypass locks on doors and containers. Vanish.teleport enables map marker teleportation while vanished. And Vanish.inViewer unlocks the /inv inventory spy command. Grant only what each role exactly needs. In-game, /vanish toggles your invisible state on and off. While vanished, you're immune to incoming damage. The /inv command, available to players with Vanish.inViewer, lets you check other players' inventory by name or Steam ID without them knowing. While vanished, pressing your reload key while looking at an object lets you interact with it silently. Looking at a player and pressing R opens their inventory. Looking at a door opens and closes it, bypassing locks. Containers open regardless of tool cupboard access. Vehicles mount you to the nearest seat. This all works without alerting the target. The config at oxide config vanish.json has a few options worth reviewing. Auto vanish automatically vanishes a player on connect or disconnect. This is useful if you want admins invisible the moment they join. Auto no-clip triggers no-clip automatically when vanishing. The on-entity take damage hook option needs to be set to true if you want vanish.damage to work. It's false by default. Notification settings control whether chat messages appear when someone vanishes. The main gotcha is vanish.damage does nothing unless you enable the use on-entity take damage hook option in the config. If a vanished admin can't hit anything, that's why. Also, auto-vanish applies to everyone with vanish.allow. If you enable it, all permitted players will vanish on connect, not just specific ones. Scope your permissions carefully before turning that on. That's the full setup. Physgun Rust hosting includes one-click Oxide install and file access from the panel. Link in the description.